Oh. Finally, the day is come when this monstrosity of exhaust is coming off the bike and being replaced with SC Project carbon fiber and titanium CRT exhaust. Some of you may be wondering why I'm taking off a Krapovic exhaust. I have 3 reasons. It's big, it's ugly, and it's quiet. First, we're gonna take off a Krapovic exhaust, then we're gonna put SC Project, and in the end of the video we are going to do sound comparison to see who sounds better. In the middle, maybe we do one sneaky no exhaust startup. To remove this exhaust is quite simple. We just have 3 T45 Torx bolts and the whole thing just come off. So let's get it started. And that will be all for today's episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And if you want to see more videos like this where I work on my BMW S1000 Singular, please subscribe. Thank you for your time and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!